Hello and welcome to the new part of the tutorial for crochet blanket Lotus designed by Veronica Liachovic from weekcrochetpatterns.com. This time we will be working rounds 44, 45 and 46. Let's start our work. Round 44, color B. This is an easy round because we will be making just one element in every stitch, third back loop, single crochet. We start this round in marked stitch. Let's find third back loop. Here it is, and single crochet in it. Oops. Ready. And we keep making single crochet, third back loop, single crochet in every stitch of previous round. And we keep going to the end of the round. Meet you there. And a final slip stitch into standing third back loop, single crochet, and we are ready. 420 third back loop, single crochets. We do not cut the yarn. Next round we'll be making of the same color. Round 45. Chain 3 or 1, 2, 3, which doesn't count as a stitch, and cluster of 4 triple crochets in the same stitch. First unfinished triple crochet, the second one, the third, the fourth, and the top. Ready. We have our cluster. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We skip next 2 stitches, and in next 100 we make single crochet. So 1, 2 skipped, and starting making 100 single crochets, and so on. Meet you close to second marker, because it will be the place where we will be working next cluster of 4 triple crochets. Okay, 100 single crochets are ready. Let me show you. The quarter of this round, and we skip next 2 stitches, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and cluster of 4 triple crochets in the third stitch. We skip 2, and in the third one, actually this is exactly the stitch on top the marker, and 4 triple crochets, 2, 3, 4 unfinished triple crochets and the top, and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We skip next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and starting from the next one, from the third one, 100 single crochets again, till we be close to the next marker. I'm pretty sure you will be able to finish all the necessary repetitions of this round, and see you at the end of the round. And we are ready. our last element was chain 3 space and slip stitch in cluster of 4 triple crochets. This is the last round when we were making a circle. In next rounds we will transform our blanket from the shape of a circle to a square, and we'll make all corners separately. And actually each cluster will be marking for us the center of the corner. We cut the yarn, secure the ends, and also we'll move the markers. We already have a marker in a stitch that is exactly under the cluster, so now we are moving marker and placing it on top of our cluster. And we do the same with all 3 markers left. And one more detail, we need to place additional markers. We have our big group of 100 single crochets between clusters, and we need to mark single crochet number 50 and 51. Let me show you. Okay, so we have the cluster, then we count till we reach the 50th single crochet and place a marker. Then we place a marker in the 51st single crochet, and we are done with the first side. We repeat the same, placing 2 markers in each side. Actually, these 2 markers are showing us the middle of the side of our future square. So we will be starting our work in next rounds around our corners. Our corners will grow little by little, and at the end we will reach the first marker from one side and the second marker from another side. Round 46, color C. This is the first round. We'll be working separately for each corner. So, to start, we need to find 3rd single crochet before cluster of 4 triple crochets and chain 3 space. So, this is the first single crochet before chain 3 space and the cluster, the second and the third. Around this 3rd single crochet before chain 3 space and the cluster, we need to make back post slip stitch. Here we are. Then we have here 2 single crochets of round 44 skipped, and in the second one we are making a cluster of 2 triple crochets. The first unfinished triple crochet and the second unfinished triple crochet. Ready. Then we repeat 3 times the following combination: chain 1 and cluster of 2 double crochets. So chain 1 in chain 3 space, cluster of 2 double crochets. A first one, the second one, and the top. Ready. 2 more repetitions. Chain 1 and cluster of 2 double crochets. Ready. And the last repetition. Chain 1 and the cluster of 2 double crochets. Ready. Chain 1, we skip the cluster and in a next chain 3 space, cluster of 2 double crochets. Ready, chain 1, one more cluster of 2 double crochets. Ready, chain 1, and the third cluster of 2 double crochets. Ready, chain 1, and again we make a cluster of 2 triple crochets in skipped single crochet of round 44, and this time this is the first single crochet after the cluster. This one. Ready. As you can see, we were making clusters of 2 triple crochets in single crochets of round 44, in the one before the cluster and in the one exactly after the cluster. Then we make back post slip stitch in third single crochet of round 45. 1, 2, 3 around this stitch, back post slip stitch. The first corner is ready. We repeat this round around the last 3 corners. And this is the end of this part of the tutorial. In next part we will continue working our corners. Good luck with your stitches and have wonderful blankets.